Now at 5:30, you couldn't find Portsmouth City Council members at City Hall today because they were in court.
And 5 council members taken to court by fellow Councilman Bill Moody for fining him $1,500 for violating a self-imposed City Council rule not to talk. Andy Fox was in court. He joins us now from outside the Portsmouth Judicial Center. Andy?
Yes, Stephanie, Councilman Bill Moody says that the 5 council members skipped the process to properly discipline him, that they sent around a disciplinary letter, getting secret votes because they knew what they were doing was wrong. In court, Mayor Kenny Wright held up a copy of Councilman Bill Moody's December 8th Facebook post, how they were going to discuss in closed session the Confederate War Monument. Wright says it violated a council rule not to discuss closed session business. Moody's attorney, Kevin Martingale.
It didn't violate the rule that they had, but they wanted somehow to punish him anyway.
1 month later, on January 12th, again in closed session.
Then they went in and immediately handed Mr. Moody a letter that imposed discipline. There was no discussion about performance. There was just the imposing of discipline.
Mayor Wright and 4 others fined Moody $1,500 for disclosing closed session business. He paid it. Gave him a letter also. No discussion. And in court, it is clear Mayor Wright was the driving force, collected the signatures, and wrote the letter. The mayor said little leaving court. They're saying that you went in there with the letter, already had the signatures, and that it is in violation of FOIA and closed meeting laws. What is your reaction to that, sir? In court, Moody admitted he secretly recorded the January 12th meeting, and the lawyer representing the city says gave it to a reporter.
It doesn't matter who he gave it to, it's the fact that he admitted under oath that he recorded one of our closed sessions, and if that's the case, that's a violation of our policies.
I don't have a recording. I wish I did, because much of which was said would have been disproven.
Critics argue it's another example of Portsmouth City Council gone wrong. And now the Freedom of Information closed meeting case could cost taxpayers for all the legal fees.
Taxpayers could be on the hook for part of it based on what they did. It also could be paid by an insurance policy. I'm not really sure what's funding them.
Now, this hearing that went on today went on for 4.5 hours, and you can add it up. There were at least 6 people who were there representing both sides in this process. Now, the judge has and says that it will take her about a week to come up with a final answer as to what happened here in court. In Portsmouth, Andy Fox, 10 on your side.